Okay, here we go. Day 3. Alright, kiddo, come on. Let's go downstairs. Oh, dear God. It's gonna take a minute, babe. I'm on crutches. Or a crutch. Come on, Bubba. Let's go downstairs. Come on. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go downstairs. Come on, baby, let's go. Down we go. Come on, let's go downstairs. You're not in trouble. Let's go. Come on, let's go. Come on. Come on, let's go. Come on. So, now we're moving to the spare bathroom. Here we are on another lovely mat. Refusing to move again. If I poke him with my crutch, he'll just go hide further into the garbage can. So, spot 2. He's getting comfy now. He sees a bug or something. Probably a shadow. Okay, so here we are in the spare bedroom over in the hallway here. We're doing the usual route. Master bath, spare room. Laundry room should be next. Let's see where we go. Well, I finally got him down here with the promise of cheese and a laser. Now look at how attentive he is. It only took 20 minutes to get him downstairs. So that, my friend, is the beginning of my day.